Hello Ecomi holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the emergency update of Omi coin. And I also try to answer your questions. And remember, my friends, if you have any type of questions about cryptocurrencies market, about Ecomi, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions and in the next video. And my friends, please, my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the latest price of the Ecomi Omi coin in the market is 0.002 USD dollar. 0.002 USD dollar is the latest price of the Omi coin. And on the other side, if you look the Bitcoin BTC price of the Omi coin, so 0.00005 BTC price of the Omi coin, that is the Bitcoin price. And if you want more updates about the Omi coin, so the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, every update on the front of your eyes, my friends. My friends, you know what's the main issue of the price change? People ask me questions about the price change. At this time the price change of Ecomi is going positive, so I'm very happy, and I want to congratulate all Ecomi holders that at this time the Ecomi start pumping. My friends, if they start pumping after a very bad fall, after a very long-term fall, so absolutely they will continue this pump for long time, my friends. The last previous change is also negative. You already know about the 24 hours last 7-day pricing is negative. But my friends, if you look the price chart of the Omi coin, so the price chart tell us that in a previous time is the bad time of Omi coin. But now in the last hour, at this time live, my friends, the Ecomi is in the jumping mode. So pray for it, maybe I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, and my prediction is 100% positive. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Omi coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.